Welcome to Fashion Blast, your trusted place for timeless beauty and confidence at every age. If you are over 60 and struggling with thin or fine hair, today's video is just for you. We are sharing 40 volumizing hairstyles that add body, bounce, and beauty to your look effortlessly. Let's begin with the classic layered bob, one of the best cuts to add instant fullness. Layers create movement and volume, especially when blow dried with a round brush. Next, we have the texture pixie cut, short, stylish, and paired with volume at the crown. It's easy to style and bringing focus to your beautiful features. Try a choppy cut with side bangs for a fresh and youthful appearance. Side bangs create softness and give the illusion of thicker hair near the forehead. The stack bob is another favorite with shorter layers at the back and longer pieces in front. It gives a full rounded shape, ideal for fine hair. For a more relaxed look, go for a soft curly crop. Loose curls or waves add texture and fullness, especially when styled with a light mouse. The blend bob with volume spray is a simple yet bold choice. It adds weight to the ends while lifting the roots. Don't be afraid of a little lift. Teased crown styles or mini pompadours can give the top of your head a boost, making hair appear thicker. A feather shag cut with face framing layers is also perfect for thinning hair. It adds volume and softness at the same time. For ladies embracing the natural gray, try a silver layered lob, longer than a bow but still light and full of body. And of course, accessories, headbands, clips, and side parts can all be used to lift the roots and create volume where you need it most. No matter your age, your hair can still be full of life and beauty. Which of these styles did you love the most? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Fashion Blast for more elegant hairstyles and hair cutting ideas created just for women like you. Share my video with your friends and your family, and also like my video. Somehow I will keep bringing good videos for you guys. At the same time, I would like ask your permission to leave. See you soon in another nice video. Until then, take care of yourself. Thank you.